how to turn on or turn off apps consuming battery notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on notifications. After that, we then go down and tap on advanced settings. Now in here, go down to the bottom and turn on manage. So turn on manage notification categories for each app. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then tap on the back key. Now we go back to the top and tap on app notifications. In here, tap on the more button. Then tap on show system apps. After that, we go down and tap on Android system. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on notification categories. Now scroll down and then tap on apps consuming battery. From here, you can tap on the allow notifications toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. If it is on, you can also choose whether to display notifications in silent mode or alert mode. And finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.